In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize custom objects in HubSpot. First things first, let's log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, we need to head over to the settings. You'll find this option usually denoted by a gear icon, so go ahead and give that a click. Now, within settings, look for the section labeled Objects. Once you're there, you'll see an option for custom objects. That's where we'll want to go next. Great. Now that you're in the Custom Objects section, you'll be able to create a new custom object. Click on the Create Custom Object button. If this is your very first time doing this, you might see it labeled as Create a Custom Object. Either way, give it a click. Up next, we need to give your object a name and a description. This is a crucial step as it helps you and your team understand the purpose of this custom object. Be clear and concise with your descriptions, and choose a name that clearly reflects the object's function. Next, it's time to choose the primary and secondary properties for your custom object. These properties are important because they define how records of this object will be displayed. Consider what information is most relevant for the records associated with this object and select your properties accordingly. Once you have that sorted, go ahead and click Create. Now, you've created your custom object, and it's time to customize it further. Navigate to the Setup tab. Here, you'll find an option to customize the Create Object form. Click on that. In this section, you have the ability to tailor the form to suit your specific needs. Let's add some custom fields by clicking on Add Properties. You can define what type of data each field should hold, whether it's text, numbers, or dates, and adjust other settings as necessary. Tailoring these fields smartly is key to making the most out of your custom object. Once your fields are in place, it's time to consider associations. Think about which existing objects you want to associate with your new custom object. This could be contacts, companies, or other objects you have in HubSpot. Making these associations will enable you to link and interact with different datasets effectively within your CRM. After you have everything set up, don't forget to hit Save. This ensures that all your hard work is preserved and your custom object is ready for use. And there you have it. You've successfully created and customized a custom object in HubSpot. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Good luck with your HubSpot endeavors, and see you in the next video.